time to share the April box of the month from Not Too Shabby Shop. Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome. Today I get to share with you the April 2022 Not Too Shabby box of the month, and it is called Strawberry Goodness, and it really is full of strawberry goodness. Jamie packs up each box, each order so cute, includes a little sweet treat for you. Here I'm just giving you a quick flip through of the two pads, all the ephemera, and the stamp sets in the box. Okay, for our first project, I'm going to be making a little drink pouch holder. I'm starting with some of that lemon paper from the So Refreshing pad, and my piece is 6 inches by 2.5 inches, so 6 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and then I have a piece there that's 2 by 2, or 2 by 2.5, sorry, that's going to create my pocket down there at the bottom. So I just glued it on the two sides and the bottom, leaving the top open so that it could be a little pocket. And then I'm just going to jazz it up with some of the ephemera from that collection as well. And then I did score 2 inches down from the very top and then used a scallop circle punch, which is about 1.25 inches wide, I think, to create the opening that will fit on the top of my water bottle. So again, you can see I've scored there, 2 inches down, punch my hole, and then I have that 3 by 2.5, I don't know why I keep saying 3, 2.5 by 6 inch piece, and then I'm adding my 2 by 2.5 inch pocket at the bottom. For some reason, when I saw this box and all the patterns, it just kind of screamed summer drink mix to me. It just made me think of like summer lemonade, and we happen to have a bunch of the Crystal Light packets. We had some of the pink lemonade and some of the wild strawberries, so I thought this would kind of be a fun project. And I think these would be great for like teacher appreciation gifts once Teacher Appreciation Week comes around later in the spring. Great for coworkers, party favors for summer birthday parties. So these are just so quick and fun to make. I had a lot of fun kind of jazzing them up, and you can see it just fits in there. And you can, I think, maybe even fit 2 in there if you really wanted. So here I'm just showing you some of the other ones that I made as well. And then I wanted to use the circles that I had punched out from the tops. So we're going to use those on the next 2 cards. I had 4 from each collection, so it kind of worked out perfect. Just showing you like the patterns that I used and which sides that I'm going to be using, and then some of the strawberry ephemera. So I have a piece of, like, it's the B side of one of the papers and the green piece, and it is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then I'm using that kind of soft pink pattern side there. It's 3.5 inch square, and that's going to kind of be the base for my little circle grid. So I just used the green side on 2 of them, and I'm using one of the strawberry sides on the other 2. And I'm just going to kind of align those up into a simple grid. And I just alternated the strawberries and the solid. And then once I get those done, I'm going to take those 2 strawberry ephemera pieces and I'm going to add those on the solid green ones. I just thought that was kind of a fun pop of color rather than doing the same pattern kind of all the way around. And then for my sentiment at the bottom, I'm using the sentiment So Berry Sweet. And it comes from the Berry Sweet stamp set. And I went ahead and stamped it out, and then I'm going to fishtail both ends and just add it down at the bottom center of my card. And so then the front of my card is done. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my A2 card base. And then I am going to take a little strip of the pattern paper, a scrap that I had left, and I'm going to add that to the inside. I always like to use up my scraps, and it's just a great way to also decorate the inside of your card. And then this first card will be done. So I am making another card similar to this using the other collection. So while I'm making that, I do want to tell you that this is a hop. This is, it's a hashtag driven hop. So you can follow the hashtag N2S Strawberry Goodness, and I will have that linked in the title as well as in the description box. So all you have to do is click on that and you can find the other team members who are sharing their projects. And then there's also a giveaway, and after you've gone through the hashtag and watched all the videos, you can come back to my video and click on the raffle copter link and enter for your chance to win the $25 Not Too Shabby Shop gift card. So I can't wait to see what everyone else made using this cute collection. Like I said, it was just very bright and refreshing. So here I am using 2 more of those super cute little strawberries with the kind of happy face. Add those onto my card. And I will also include a link to the Not Too Shabby Shop in the description box if you would like to sign up for a subscription. That is the best way to make sure you get this box each month. It's released on the 1st of each month, and they do sell out. So, you know, the best way to ensure you're going to get one is just to go ahead and subscribe now so that you are set up to go for the next month. Finishing this card up, I'm going to add that to my card base. And then I have that little pink strip up there at the top, which is just another scrap that I had. I'm just going to add that in to the inside. Was just making sure it would fit along the bottom. And there are my 2 cards, and then all of the drink mix holders that I made as well. So I had a lot of fun with this box so far this month. I can't wait to continue playing with it throughout the month. So be sure to check out the other videos in the hop using the hashtag, and stay tuned for more projects to come this month. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.